Yellow alert has been sounded off in the national capital. The Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has said that since the COVID positivity rate has been above 0.5% for the last few days, yellow alert of the graded response action plan has been implemented by the Delhi government. A detailed order on restrictions and implementations will be released soon.
अभी कुछ महीने पहले हमने एक ग्रेडेड एक्शन प्लान बनाया था। मतलब ये कि अगर कोरोना इतना % हो जाएगा तो हम ये चीज़ें बंद करेंगे, इतना % हो जाएगा तो हम ये चीज़ें बंद करेंगे। वो इसलिए बनाया था ताकि हर बार रोज़ बैठ के देखना ना पड़े, यार ये कर दें, ये बंद करें, ये बंद ना करें, ताकि एक साइंटिफिक तरीके से पता रहे कि भाई इतना कोरोना हो जाएगा तो ये बंद कर देंगे, इतना कोरोना हो जाएगा तो ये बंद कर देंगे। उसमें हमने लिखा था कि अगर 0.5% से ज़्यादा पॉजिटिविटी रेट होगा 2 दिन तक लगातार, तो ऐसे हालात के अंदर येलो लेवल आ जाएगा, एक लेवल 1 आ जाएगा और उसमें हम ये चीज़ें बंद करेंगे। तो 0.5% से ज़्यादा 2-3 दिन से चल रहा है, इसीलिए लेवल 1 जो है ग्रेडेड एक्शन प्लान का, उसको लागू करने का निर्णय लिया गया है। कुछ चीज़ों के ऊपर पाबंदियां लगाई जा रही हैं। इसकी पूरा डिटेल्ड ऑर्डर आपके सामने आ जाएगा कि कौन कौन सी चीज़ों पे क्या क्या पाबंदियां लगाई जा रही हैं।
My colleague Sabyasachi Roy Chaudhary joins me live on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, a yellow alert sounded in the capital. What are the kind of curbs that we are looking at now?
Well, absolutely. If you see that the yellow alert has been issued in the national capital, out of the 4 total graded response action plan we have, the yellow alert has been issued. And once this alert gets into action, there will be several measures which will be put on ground. The first thing is that there will be night curfew, which already has been issued by the Delhi government. Along with that, there will be 50% capacity in government buses as well as the metros. Along with that, the government offices as well as the private offices will have to function with a 50% capacity. The hotels and restaurants and bars in the national capital again will have to function with a 50% capacity. There are several provisions for cinema halls and movie theaters as well, whether we have to wait and see that the government completely shuts down the movie theaters and cinema halls across the national capital, or they allow them to function with a 50% capacity. Along with that, if you see especially in the market areas, the continuous picture that we are seeing from different markets in the national capital is really worrisome. So in that particular market, the odd and even scheme would have been applied, which we have seen the government has already applied, but a strict warning has been given that if this sort of picture and overcrowding is seen in several markets across the national capital, then these markets will be completely shut down. And now coming to school, colleges and other institutions, these particular things will remain closed, looking at the positivity rate and the amount of cases which are coming. So looking at this particular situation, the college, school and institutions will be completely shut as of now until and unless the situation gets better.
Right. Sabyasachi, thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast. Concerning rise of COVID cases in the national capital has led to a yellow alert that has been sounded in Delhi.